Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good. Why is my microphone low right now? Low. Microphone is low. Why is it low? Sometimes this damn computer, man. I don't get it. Mic check. Why is it so low? Why is my mic so low? Fucking A. All right. We are live. We're doing it. It's happening. It's time. It's time to party. Party. What's good? We got guess what we got here, boys? Guess what we got? Oh, buddy. Would you look at that? A big old gap here in the NASDAQ. QQQ here. Oh, buddy. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa, Betty. The NASDAQ. So it will be opening up with a large gap to the downside right now. Got a big old gap-a-rooney there right now. So we are watching, see what happens here. Right now, the NASDAQ going straight up. We got numbers here. They got numbers here this morning. At 9:45, we got 10 o'clock numbers as well. So it's gonna be fun. Oh my God, Rips is down $5,000 right now. What a fucking moron. Oh, he's been shorting all morning long. Ouch. Been shorting all morning. What is this guy doing? Oh, God. Oh, man. I don't love this big boner move to the upside right now. We're just pretty much going straight up here. And we know that there's a big old gap there in the chart. So, shoo. Is it a trap? Is it a trap? Is it a trap? Is it a trap? What do you guys think? We think we filled the gap today? But Patrick. All right, so looking here at the NASDAQ now, if we go to let's go to the hourly chart. You can see the move up here overnight. We closed at 18,700 there on Tuesday. So we broke out through this resistance overnight, and we're currently much higher than this right now. We're up to the 18,800. So the close from yesterday, where's that closing candle at there? The close yesterday, pretty much where we bounced at overnight there. 18,700 to the downside there. We got the VWAP down there as well. So Rips is on tilt. He's on tilt. He's on fucking tilt. He's on tilt. Should I go all in long right now? Rips is short. All in long. Oh no. Oh, what a fucking moron. Oh my god, this guy. He never loses. I knew I should have gotten the all in long right there. Oh my god. If Rips is short, I'm getting long, baby. Oh my, what a pain. Oh my, he's still short. Oh my god. It's hilarious. All right, so the NASDAQ still pushing. No reason to get short here. Oh my god, it's still going short. He's short from 18,826s. He's down $5,000 right now. He's got 2 contracts short. Ouch. Ouch. Don't go short and don't go. If the market wants to go higher, let it go higher, my friends. It's okay. It's okay. You don't always have to be right. And now he got stopped out at the top of the move. Now it's probably going to pull back. Ouch. Now it's time to get short. Let's see. All right, so the NASDAQ here just continuing to go higher and higher. We got the overnight gap to think about. We got the QQQ, a big old gap below us right now, about a 100-point gap to the downside. We got the VWAP down there at the 18,768. We got news here today. We got news today at 9:45. We got 10 o'clock news. And so the hourly chart looks like 18,870 area resistance up there. So if you look back, that would be kind of the next big area of resistance, kind of this area 50 to 80 level here, going into open right now. So don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry, everybody. Rips, you can actually pay to join his community and join his, you can pay to learn from him if you want. So for the small price, very small price, you can actually pay to learn from that. So I just play it, just a little. Hey, just play it, you know. I'm just playing, just a little camaraderie, you know. I got nothing against Rips. He follows me on Instagram, you know, looks at all my stories. He's a big fan of mine. I like to support my fans, you know. I like to support my fans out there. Oh man. Rips is a good trader just as you are. I would highly disagree with that, but Whatever you want to tell yourself. All right. So as we push up here, we've got the QQQ pivot point there. 458.14. 458.14 pivot point there on the NASDAQ. Are you expecting chop or a gap fill? Well, we know gaps love to get filled. We have a big old gap here in the QQQ. So, something, you know, something to be aware of. Literally pushing up into that pivot point area right now as well. So, currently the market, the QQQ is sitting up there, 457s. This is the gap that we have. So we have a massive gap here. I mean, maybe not massive, $3 or so. So, like I've always said, you know, just because the market, just because there is a gap does not mean, you know, that it's guaranteed to fill right away. But I want to be aware of it. And, you know, if we start to get that bearish price action and we pull back here at open, well, then we're expecting the possibility of filling the gap there. We got a lot of resistance coming up at this level, both the QQQ and on the NASDAQ. A lot of resistance there. So, you know, we want to be aware that there is a gap there. The best part is, you know, I don't need 100 points. I only need, give me 10 points, baby. 10 points, easy. So we'll be looking for a move here at open. Nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy. You still speak small caps and it makes 0 sense. Who's talking about small caps? Fuck you talking about? What strategy is this? I don't know. Hoping and praying. A lot of hoping and a lot of praying, baby. Right now, you can see the 15-minute chart. Ding, 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 ding. Squeezing up there. We've got a pivot point to the downside. 18,799. We've got the VWAP down there as well. We've got the gap fill potential as well. So let's see what happens. Hey, sir, how much is the McLaren? $240,000. I'll sell it to you for $260,000. How about that? Boop, 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 boop. My playlist there in the chat. Still trading the NQM4, not change contracts. Patrick, will you be raving at EDC Orlando this year? Probably not. Probably not going to be going to EDC Orlando now that I live in Fort Lauderdale. There's nobody in the future space that trades like you. You still trade like it's small caps, just something I picked up on. It's not a shot. I just can't make sense of it. I mean, I just trade momentum, you know? You got to remember, Small caps are no different than everything else. It's just human emotion. The stock market is just one big human emotion, display of human emotion. You get FOMO, you get greed, you get the all the different levels of you know, human emotion. So just be aware. Kenneth Bortnick just tuned in. Where's the QQQ gap? Right there. Oh yeah, Rips is short 3 contracts now, baby. Let's go. One more spike up here. One more spiky spike. Now he's short 6 contracts. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Hey, at some point, you know, if you keep shorting and shorting a move up, at some point you're going to be right. You know, at some point, if you get short over and over and over, at some point it's going to pull back. So, even a broken clock is right once a day or twice a day, right? They say. Now he's short 9 contracts. Let's go. I mean, to be honest, I wouldn't be getting long up here either way, so. Not my plan. We'll see what happens. I'd like to see a little bit of manipulation here at open. Get maybe one more spike up before pulling back. We got numbers today. 9:45 numbers. We've got 10 o'clock numbers here as well. So. What's the correlation between the US dollar and the overall stock market? Well, the dollar, when it shows strength, makes purchasing power, vice versa. Purchasing power, the value of the company, the items that they're buying, the goods, you know, there's a whole economic macro correlation to that. So I'm not an economist, but I do know that when the dollar is showing strength, it leads to a weaker market. When the dollar is weaker, the market is stronger. Like I said, I don't have all the answers here, but that's what I would put it as. Like, I kind of want to get long here, just fade Rips right now because he's short 9 contracts and he's been down all morning, so it could be a good fade, but I also know there's a gap in the chart there. So we're gonna be opening up here with about a $3 gap in the QQQ, so we know those gaps love to get filled. We've got resistance coming up here as well, both on the ES, the NASDAQ. Everybody's got resistance coming up. Dollar is still pulling back, but the dollar could start ripping up here, and then you know what's going to happen there. So, LOL, Rips got out for like break even or something. 300. Oh, there it goes, back up. Oh, man, it's funny. He got out for $65. Let's go. I knew I should have gotten long there. Should have gotten long off the 30s. We still got 11 minutes here till the market opens. As of right now, you can see this just pushing, pushing, pushing. I'm really interested. I want to see some type of pullback here either way. That pivot point down there, 18,799s. So, being aware of that. If you guys haven't, hit that like button. Help me help you. Help me help you. Bum, 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 bum. The thing is, like, if this does go higher, it's totally fine. It's not a big deal, you know. Like, you can't be mad at it. Just got to be patient, and you know, we'll just sit back and wait for the right opportunity here. That's all it comes down to. So. Let's get it, babe. We got 10 minutes. 10 minutes till destiny. 10 minutes until destiny. Look at that. The market back up off the 30s now. I'm just going to do the opposite of whatever Rips does today. That might be the most profitable strategy there is. Does anybody know about Apex not updating the accounts? I think they posted about there was an issue with Rhythmic, and they're still going through it. I trade minis. NASDAQ still, oh, I knew it. I should have, that would have been my 10 points right there. From the 30s, now back up there to the 40s. It's a bulletproof strategy. Bulletproof strategy, baby. Can you explain that strategy? Just basically do the opposite of Rips. Oh, look at it. Now I'm making a new high. Fuck it, eh? Oh, God, it's just going. Patrick, took a break from trading for a while. What made you swap to the QQQ from the ES? Well, we're trading the NASDAQ NQ. I trade the NASDAQ just because it's wild. It's wild, baby. It's wild. You've made more hater fan clubs than anyone ever. Well, you know, I've been doing this for 7 years now. I've seen a lot of people come and go. A lot of people trying to come at me. But remember, I'm the OG. I built this game. I am this game. I am the man, the myth, the legend. Ain't that the truth? Chad Cobra, they never hate people at the bottom, only at the top. Amen, brother. Amen, brother. Yes. Hey, it's lonely at the top, you know? What can I say? Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. And that's all it comes down to, my friends. You're either here to make money or you're here to get rich. You see what I did there? You see what I did there? You like that? You're either here to get rich or get the money. Where's your P&L? It's at your mom's house. Rip said he's been trading for 14 years. Yeah. I've heard it all. Yeah, and Tori's uncle is a fucking multi-billionaire trader as well. And ICT created the algorithm, and every other fucking YouTuber out there has another story about how their uncle's brother, sister, mother taught them how to trade with a special algorithm. Come on, guys. Come on. You've been trading for 14 years and you just decided to start a fucking YouTube channel? Come on. Come on, like, that's not even, like, that's a bad business. Bad business plan. Rips has been trading for 14 years, but he's got a blue fucking neon background. Come on. Are y'all serious? I've been trading for 7 years on YouTube. So, yeah, I still don't know what I'm doing. I just get lucky sometimes. Voxify, my P&L. Dude, it's 9:25 in the morning. I have not placed any fucking trades. The market's not even open. The market's not even open. What are you talking about, P&L? Will you relax? Holy shit. My shirt says, but, Patrick. But, Patrick. What did I do before trading? I was a professional filmer. Professional filmer editor. I was not a stock market guru that decided to become a YouTuber. I was already a filmer editor that decided to become a YouTuber and make videos about day trading as I learned. Big difference, all right? Big difference. Patrick, do you trade off stream? Sometimes. Patrick, how much money can you make per year with just your trading? I don't know, $5 billion, 10 million, $1. I'm not sure, bro. It's you know, if I had a very simple answer to that, it wouldn't, you know, I don't know what to tell you. All right, right now, just going back over this, we got 3 minutes till the market opens. We got a big old gap here in the QQQ. Big old gap here in the QQQ. So let's see what happens. Patrick, why do you use the 2-minute chart over the 1-minute chart? Well, you know, I just believe that the 2-minute chart is a little bit cleaner than the 1-minute chart. If you look here, like this is the 1-minute chart. Just a lot of like unneeded candles. They're like unneeded candles there. So I think 2 is just 2 minutes. It's a little cleaner. How long have you been trading before? I literally started trading when I started a YouTube channel. I started a YouTube channel and I started trading like literally the same day. I didn't work for like a hedge fund or a bank or some algorithm or something like that. So. Sweet, so your whole trading journey is documented here on YouTube, correct? You can see the ups, the downs, the sideways, all of it. All the different stuff that I traded over the years, small caps, penny stocks, large caps, options. Do a lot of people use your code on Apex? Oh yeah, it's the #1 code. If you want 90% off Apex, PW, it's the easiest one to type in. It's just PW. If you could earn similar money fishing to trading, would you take up fishing every day instead? Probably not. I like fishing because it's fun. Not because it's a job. Making it a job I don't think it would be as fun if it was a job. All right, here we go, baby. It's time. It's time. All right. Let's be patient here, my friends. We got plenty of time today. We got lots of news, 9:45, 10 o'clock news. We got the gap fill here in the QQQ right now, pulling back here. It would just be too easy if it goes straight down and fills the gap, right? Like, it'd be too easy. Right? Like, that would be too easy. Right? I feel like that would be right. I'd be right. I don't know. Watch it just be red all the way down there to the VWAP. Oh, God. Oh, God. Was hoping for a little bit of an upward move there at open just to try to get short here, but that straight down drop so far. See if they're going to stay below the 40s here. All right, so currently back up there to the 40s, stuck there at 40s for now. If they can hold this below the 40s, I think we continue to move down here. We got that pivot point down there, 18,800. That 40 area is going to be a key level for both the bears and the bulls battling it out here now. The high earlier was 53.75. Dollar's finding some support. This should start to move back down here. We get stuck below that 40 level. We got numbers at 9:45. We got numbers at 10 o'clock. There we go. That 40 area holding us down. Back down there now beautifully. The ES is right at a pivot point right now. If the NASDAQ breaks through this support here, looking at that 18,800 down there. Trying to take it out there. Rips got long. That was a great time to get short, I guess. Fuck, I didn't even see he got long. I gotta be quicker. Gotta keep an eye on that guy. Look at this move. Straight down to the 800s here. Let's get right down there. I want this move all the way down to 800 to that pivot point. She's being stubborn. Sell it. Dump it. Dump it, boys. Dump it. Dump it. Come on, get through there. Oh, buddy Jesus. Baby Jesus. And stopped out. Break even there for now. I think I put a sell order there, not a stop. That was great. Was looking for this move straight through the 20s down there to the 800s. We were up 10 points. It's all good. The dollar's pushing up. NASDAQ's back up, pushing back up here. We got numbers at 9:45. We got 10 o'clock numbers. We got that big old gap fill here on the QQQ. Just being stupid right now. This little pushback up here. Just a stupid pushback up there. The ES is selling straight down right now. Like, you're gonna tell me that you're gonna tell me that shouldn't have sold down right there, down there? Like, that's where we stopped at? Like, come on. You're gonna tell me that? Come on. Silly. Tell me this ain't gonna get down there. You can see the ES right now as well, sitting at the lows of that 15-minute candle. NASDAQ once again denied there at the 30s. Now she's gonna. Now we're gonna go. 18,800 just wants to get tapped. Are you kidding me? Look at this push back up into that EMA there. And now back down there to the 820s. It's got to wait for all this news, I guess. Oh, it wants to crack 20s. It wants to crack the 20s here. The 15-minute chart holding up there at the 20s. We got news coming out here in 4 minutes, people. News in 4 minutes. Now Rips is down $8,000. I told you, you can just do the exact opposite of what he's doing. You make some money. Ouch. This is looking a lot like the other day. Remember the other day when we had that stupid consolidation before the numbers came out? Looking a lot like that right now. Tight range here before these numbers come out. Yeah, and we got 10 o'clock numbers. VWAP down there, 788s. Where do you get the news? OnlyPropFirms.com, duh. We got the economic calendar on OnlyPropFirms.com. Go to the OnlyPropFirms.com website, economic calendar, type it in, OnlyPropFirms.com. You can see the news coming out here, 9:45. We've got S&P Global. We've got the manufacturing numbers at 10 o'clock. So it's time to party. This is the OnlyPropFirms website. It's free to check out every day, by the way. Economic calendar right there. We got a little less than a minute now until these numbers come out, but the first number of the day is going to be this one, 9:45, S&P Global, ISM. Patrick, you're 2 minutes behind. I'm definitely not 2 minutes behind. You're 2 minutes behind. Look at the clock on the bottom of my screen there. 9:44, 30 seconds. Let me know what you think. How far am I behind? Where are we at, chat? What do you guys got? Yeah, definitely not 2 minutes. If there's a 2-minute delay on the stream, you should hit the refresh button. Here we go. The news is out. 9:45 news, and then we got 10 o'clock news here. I mean, this is still kind of like a bear flag when you really think about it. Nothing overly bullish about this right now. We still have that big old gap. So. Rips is long, baby. Let's go. He needs to just walk away right now. He got to go. He got to get out of here. He needs to quit. Somebody save that guy. Get him off there, please. Why would you get long right here? Very risky play. Even if it goes up, it's just like not a spot to get long at. $15-minute opening range. First candle of the day here. We have not broken out of the 15-minute range. We got numbers at 10 o'clock. NASDAQ once again trying to test that 50 level. I just don't like it for a long up here. This is, I think, a bad spot to get long. Even if it goes higher, it's like it's too much of a gamble. You know that we already got denied there multiple times. We got more numbers coming out at 10 o'clock. So if you're getting long right here, you're just gambling at that point. The YM's down. The ES is stuck. This is the ES chart right now. Look at the ES. Still sitting down here at the lows. Dollar just spiked up after that news. Rips is now long. 6 contracts from the 41s. I pray for him. I'm gonna pray for him. It's not that I want to see him lose. I'm not sure I'd want to get long here. And like I said, even if it goes up 30 points, I'm okay with that. I'm not going to be upset. You know, if it keeps going higher, totally fine. But this is just not the setup that I want to trade. So he just got stopped out. Fuck, I knew I should have got short. This motherfucker, he's on fire, people. He's on fire right now. He can't stop. Oh, man. Now he's down like probably $10,000. Oh, only $8,500, I guess. He's trading like 4 contracts, so. The fact that he's down almost $8,000 on 4 contracts, 2 contracts, that says a lot. Go help him. Tell him to stop. He just got to walk away. It is not working out for him right now. Everybody has red days, but the worst thing you can do is keep on trading. Especially trying to get long at the top here. All right, we got 10 minutes until the 10 o'clock numbers. 10 minutes till the 10 o'clock numbers. Oh my God, he got long again here. Bro, what is he doing? Someone needs to call, like, you gotta turn him off. He got long once again after getting stopped out. It's fucked up. He's long 2 contracts just holding. He got stopped out again. Oh my God. I told you guys, don't get fucking long up there. Don't do it. No reason to get long. You see the long? Like, what's... You don't see the long. There is no long here. We're in a range. We've got a lot more stuff pushing against the market than supporting the market at this point. And look at that. 30 points back from the 50s now. I mean, come on. What are you going to get? Why would you get long here? Anyone who thinks to get long right here, like, there's just no reason to get long. Why? Especially look at the other markets. Look at the ES right now. Does the ES look bullish? You know? Rips is making fun of me for trading in my garage. The reason that I had to move my office into the garage was because my office turned into a fishing room with all the checks that I won. Over $300,000 worth of, you know, checks. I had to put it all on the wall. I can't help it, you know? Hey, remember, people, who's got a better background here? Who's got the better background? I got a McLaren. I got a Hummer. He's got blue lights. Blue lights, baby. NASDAQ once... Oh, my God. Look at this squeeze right now. Oh, God. We broke the 15-minute range, but we got those 10 o'clock numbers, so I ain't touching it for now. Bam, 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 bam. The fact that the NASDAQ just ripped up 30 points through the high right there is another reason of staying out of this right now. Patrick's a loser. He trades in his garage. Yeah, I don't have room. I got a $500,000 boat in my backyard. I got the McLaren. I got the Hummer. It just, you know, I ran out of room. I'm sorry. I apologize. It's hard around here. It's so terrible. Does the garage have AC? Oh, yeah. I got one of those little, like, portable AC units. Yeah, Rips is live on YouTube right now. If you haven't checked out the disaster that is that, there's a link in the chat. Don't leave me, though. Make sure you keep watching me. I can sleep in the McLaren without any problem. I don't know. It's not that comfortable, to be honest. Why do I rent? All right, I'm going to teach y'all something very simple, right? If you rent a house, if you own a house, you have a mortgage. What is that? If you have a mortgage, what is that? It's a liability, right? You're just paying a bank to rent the house. Okay, yeah. Oh, I know. You know, the housing market always goes up. I get that. But what you cannot do is you cannot write off your house against your taxes. What you do is, let me just teach you something. Let me teach y'all something. All right, I know a lot of people in this chat don't have to worry about this, but you buy a house, right? You rent the house out. You then use the value of the house as depreciation against your tax liability, right? You know what I mean? Are you guys understand what I'm putting down here? So you buy properties, you then use those properties as rental properties. You then depreciate the value of the house against your taxable income. That's how you get to a point where you pay zero taxes. You know, when you make millions of dollars, you got to play differently. What do you mean not exactly? That is 100% the truth. My goal right now is I'm actually putting an offer on a condo today. I'm trying to buy as many condos and apartments and townhouses that I can buy. So I'm trying to buy a condo right now for $180,000. So I pay $180,000 for it. I rent it out for $1,800 a month. I basically earn 10% on my money that I've invested into the house. The value of the house goes up. I depreciate the value of the house against my taxable income. So I have a $180,000 tax write-off. So that's the difference. If I buy a $5 million house, I cannot write you know, if I buy a $5 million house, I can't write $5 million of the house off. I know, the IRS. Shane Windsor, bro. I honestly don't really rent it out like that. I have like it's different. I have an LLC S Corp. We got news coming out here in 2 minutes. Rips wants a boxing match. Yeah, that's tell him to stick his head up his ass and fight for air. You know, I got better things to do. Speaking of that, here's my attorney. Hello. Hey, how's it going? No, so basically my attorney's calling because I'm trying to set up a trust right now. So trying to set up a trust and some other stuff. So just gotta get serious about business, baby. Look at this move right now. Oh, buddy. The market is going wild. Look at this thing. It's going wild. Be patient, my friends. We bounced off the fucking VWAP almost on the dot. Look at that. That was that move we were looking for, 18,800. We bounced right off there now. Fucking A. Look at that wick. Look at that wick on the 1 minute candle. This sure wasn't such a big gap in the chart. Everything inside my body, everything in my body is telling me, be careful. Getting long up here, but clearly the market don't want to go down right now, so we'd be patient. Pushing up there through the 60s. Lordy, lordy. Some wild price action here, boys. Wild, wild, wild. Oh my God. We're right there at the 15-minute opening range. Can we get through that 60 level? There's a pivot point up there, 18,897 to the upside. Right now, this market is just absolute poo-poo. Poo-poo for now. Dollar's going straight up. What is she gonna do? Holding up there at the 40s for now. Do-do-do-do. Wow. The music. Why'd it go off? Hey, at least we didn't get long up there, right? You know, Rips is down $10,000 now, $10,450 now. Ouchies. It's a painful morning for him. I know, he's trading at Combine, which is funny. This market right now, man. Just going absolutely nowhere. She's going nowhere. Nowhere quick. All right, let's see if we can break this 15-minute range. You got the VWAP down there. Start working on this gap fill. The ES, look at the ES right now. Just sell, sell, sell on the ES currently. 5,300 to the downside there. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. We got 2,000 people watching. The dollar is still going straight up here. NASDAQ Looks weak. Look at the Dow as well. The Dow right now. You guys seeing the Dow? Anyone trade the Dow? Look at the Dow. Holy shit. Look at this thing. Should have traded the Dow today. Should have traded the Dow. So the NASDAQ once again respecting. Once again respecting the 15-minute range. What is going on? This fucking range right now. The ES also moving down. Fucking Nvidia, man. Nvidia! Nvidia is doing it to us. Look at the ES as the QQQ here as well. Just been holding up there at the VWAP here on the QQQ for now. I still think she's weak. She wants to go back down here. Gotta blame Nvidia for that one. We got the VWAP down there at the 18,800 level. We got the pivot point 799s to the downside. Remember that 840 area once again holding us down. The bears, the bulls kind of basically battling 840s now. So 840s, 840s. Dollar is trying to make a new high right now. NASDAQ's holding on for dear life. Both the Dow and the ES are moving down here while the NASDAQ's just sitting here on hot air. Hot air for the NASDAQ currently. Trip Moses, you went and you watched rips for a minute? What the fuck? You cheated on me. Why would you do that? trying to put an offer on this house right now, and I want to obviously get a good deal on it. I feel like I'm getting a good deal either way, but I'm trying to get the best deal I can get. It's been on the market for a minute, so trying to see if I can get some wiggle room with the price there. Why do you have 245,000 followers but only 2,000 viewership? Well, I've been doing this for 7 years now. So, yeah, you know, it's ups and downs, baby. Ups and downs. The funny part is I've lost more followers than Rips has even gained. Think about that. Just think about that. I've literally lost... He has 17,000 subscribers. I've literally lost probably 70,000 subscribers over the years. People just fall off, you know, to be honest. Most people end up failing at trading, and then they're not going to keep following me, you know? They're going to kind of be over it. Pat, can I ask why you're not trading the 250K account? I've already talked about this. I like the 50K accounts. It works for me. Trade whatever you want. It's really up to you personally, more than anything, so... Do you realize he just started? Oh, I realized. But like I'm saying, I've lost more followers than he gained so far. So when he tries to talk shit about me, it's like, hey, that's fine. But I've literally lost more followers than you. This market is just gonna really sit here all day. You know what's gonna happen? The minute that I walk away, this thing is gonna drop 100 points. Or go up 100 points. Something amazing is gonna happen. The minute that I fucking walk away, god damn it. Why? Why? Patrick, what was wrong with living in Winter Park? Because it's not next to the ocean? I don't know. What do you mean? I wanted to live on the water. I wanted to have a boat. I wanted to go fishing. Ashad, can I suggest something? I think you're a little too aggressive with your followers. You have to be a little calm. You'll have more subs. You're a better trader than most YouTubers. Well, guess what, Ashad? I don't give a fuck. If people don't like the way we do things around here, they can go watch Rips lose money and talk about, well, whoever the fuck knows what they're talking about. They can go watch some other idiot on YouTube. I'm not here to fucking make everybody happy. I'm here to win, baby. I'm here to win. People don't want the truth. People want to be their fucking hands held. Patrick, will you just tell me what to do? Patrick. Patrick, help me. Help me. Oh my God. This is the worst price action. This whole week has been a god awful, huh? What is this right now? How are we literally stuck in a 10-point range right now? Holy shit. I can't tell. Is this a nightmare? I mean, you pretty much know there's a big move coming here. It's just fucking, when is it gonna happen? You know, when? When? Because right now, it ain't happening. Yeah, the only big moves happen overnight. That's the truth. Ain't that the truth? God, what is this? NVIDIA. Timothy Rogers, do you really think these other traders are clowns, or is it just entertainment? I mean, yeah, no, I think they're all clowns. I mean, it's not like a personal thing. Like, it's not like, I'm not like, you know, I hate you, but it's kind of like, yeah, they're clowns. I mean, that's what they are. So I'm pretty confident that they're that they clowns. Does that include Tanya? I don't think Tanya's like really like a total clown. I think she's young, she's naive, she's playing into you know, she's doing exactly what she should probably do, play into the whole ICT thing and let everyone love you because you're an ICT follower, you know. So how to be funny like you in social scenarios. Just don't give a fuck, you know? Yeah, I mean, I got nothing. I have nothing against other people. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Why? How? Why? Why? How is this going? Fucking A, man. I don't even get it. I don't even understand it. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Oh, my Lord. I said a big move is coming. I told you. I told you. Fucking A. Now it's just gonna go straight up. Chris, you were bearish. Am I denying the fact that am I long right now, Chris? Am I telling people that I told them to get long? No. You know, big difference. Oh, God. I don't owe anyone shit. That's for sure. I'm using Trade of 8. New breed. I'm using Trade of 8. Right up there to the pivot point now. The NASDAQ, 18,897. Oh, buddy. We get above that 900 level. Let's see what happens there next. Maybe a little pullback back down here. Test that 15-minute opening range would be nice. Would be nice. Patrick, can you please analyze the bearish wedge forming on the 1 hour chart? What do you want me to do? I mean... If we get through that 94 level, through this pivot, the 900's obviously straight up there next. So that 900 should be good for a few points to the upside there. Oh, God. I want to try something that is just an idea here to see if we can get a quick pop up through that 900 level there for like 10 points. This is an evaluation account. This is not a funded account, by the way. Just testing it out to see if my theory that we would get a little pop through the 10s would come in there. So if we break that 900 level, we'll see if we go straight up there like 10 more points or so. Still not filled. This is a buy. Now I'm filled. Oh, God. Looking for just 10 points up through the 900s if they keep running straight up here. But like I said, this is an eval account. This is not real money. Just want to test out my theory. Needs more power. More power. More power. Go straight up there. Give me that. Give me that. Oh, up there to the 8s now. Can we get the 10 push? 10 push, 10 push, 10 push. Just needs one more little pop through here. Oh, God. One more little pop. One more little poppy pop. They're squeezing the shorts here. Squeezing the shorts. Squeezing the shorts. Give me that 10 pop. Give me that 10 pop. 10 pop. 10 pop, 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 pop. One fill. Are you kidding me? It's a scam. I got scammed. Trade of 8 scammed me. 10 pop, 10 pop, 10 pop, 10 pop, 10 pop. 10 poppers, 10 poppers. Oh. $15 points. So almost 20 points now. Rips is real mad right now. He's sitting there in his fucking blue room, all pissed off, hating life. You know, if I was going to give one piece of advice to Rips, I know he's probably watching right now. I would get rid of the blue lights because it's probably bad for your eyesight. And I think it like, you know, it probably like fucks up your trading abilities, you know. Get rid of the blue lights. Get some orange lights. Get you an orange McLaren. That's what you need. You got to get you an orange fucking McLaren. Life is so much better when you have an orange McLaren. All right? It's so much better. So much. It's a lot better when you get an orange McLaren. Yeah, I think the blue lights are bad, man. Blue. Oh, look at this. Hey, there's 20 points for you, fam. Don't say I never told you so. I literally showed you my entry before the market even got there. Don't say, don't you even dare. Don't you even dare tell me. You know. We also, this was like the perfect example too of just kind of the whole dollar breakout. Look at this little bull flag, bull flag, bull flag through the pivot point there. Up there 20 points. It's pure luck. Hey, if this is pure luck, I'm the luckiest motherfucker in the whole time, in the whole goddamn world. Think about that. You know what I mean? I'm the luckiest motherfucker in the whole entire world if it's pure luck. Also, what do we have here? We had a pivot point. We had a pivot point, 458 on the QQQ. Shoo! But Patrick, it's still going. 30 points now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Hey. Hey. Guess what? Guess what, everybody? Put your hands in the motherfucking air. Let's do a little recap. Let's do a little recap. It's time for the recap. The recap of the day here. Check this out. Check it out. Y'all ready for this? Check it out. What's it all about? But turn it out. Look at that 15-minute range, my friends. The 15-minute range, the breakout. You got your 15-minute candle right there. 9:30. Okay, the first, we had some chop. We had news at 10 o'clock, and then look at the 15-minute range. She's still going, gone. We had a beautiful little breakout. I was looking for 10 points, and there's 30 points now. 34 points for that move above the 900s. What did I say? What did I say? Woo! So, you gotta love those whole dollar breaks, especially with that type of momentum there. It's like, you know, that thing is gonna squeeze. You know why it's gonna squeeze? You know why it's gonna squeeze? Guess why? Can y'all guess why? Because you know motherfuckers be having their stop losses right there at the 18,900. It's not rocket science. You know it's gonna, everyone's sitting there watching that key level. And then all of a sudden, boom! Short squeeze. Short squeeze. Same thing with the QQQ here. Guess what? Everybody's fucking short. And all of a sudden, oh God, squeeze to the moon. It's still going. 36 points now. 36 points. 36 points. Still going. Still going. Oh, God. Bow, 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 bow. All right, the NASDAQ up there through the highs. We had that choppy McChopperson. I told you guys, I was like at 10 o'clock. I'm like, fuck, if I walk away right now, it's going to fucking go up 100 points. And guess what happened? Guess what happened? Guess what happened? It went up 100 fucking points here. God damn it. God motherfucking damn it. What a time to be alive, you know? We're living, baby. Dollar, dollar, dollar bills. Dollar, 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 dollar. You gotta love it. You gotta love the market sometimes. It's just fun, you know? It's fun to see this shit and you're like, oh. You know, you say, you're like, oh, it's gonna go up 100 points the minute that I walk away, right? You say that, right? You say that and then you do it and you're like, oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, it did it. That's always the issue. You know, you get that move there, so my competition right now, he's down. I don't even know, he's playing in his combine or some fake account or whatever, but hey, we like to make a little bit of money every day here, keep the doctor away. And as you can see here, we're locking it in. We had, like I said, I had a couple of the evals that I took of that trade for the 900s, but able to still put some nice little green on the board here. $700, $600 consistency. My goal right now is if I can make, you know, something around like $600 to $2,000 a day. Today wasn't a day to go hard in the paint, clearly, but it worked out. It went higher and higher. Either way, though, that 15-minute chart, the 15-minute setup here, you can't deny it. You really can't. You gotta love it. If you don't love it like I do, you're doing something wrong. So the market today just higher and higher. Guess what, though? You know what's going to happen. You know what's going to happen at some point. This gap on the QQQ is going to get filled. It might not be right now. It might not be tomorrow. But at some point, this motherfucking gap is going to get motherfucking filled. Look at that. Look at that price action there. Come on, you're telling me this is never going to get filled at some point. It might not. It might be next week. It might be a month from now. It might be tomorrow. You never know. But there it is. Big old gap there still sitting there. So at some point it's going to happen. But for now, the key, like always, is just staying alive. Staying alive. Staying alive. Staying alive. Hey. Oh, it's good to be me, baby. It's good to be Patrick Wieland. It's good to be Patrick Wieland. We just keep winning. 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 Take it, you just got to win. You missed it. Oh, what the fuck? You went and got food? You went and got food? You don't get food till 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock is lunchtime. It's 10 o'clock. The kind of bullshit is this? Get back on the computer right now. Get back on. Get rid of your food. Throw it away. Throw that fucking food out the window. It just cost you. Come on. 11 o'clock is motherfucking lunchtime. Not 10 o'clock. God, what are y'all doing out here? Hey, I do want to just make it very clear, like I said earlier, at the end of the day, yes, there's a gap in the chart. Yes, we know gaps love to get filled, right? But remember, not every gap gets filled right away. So what do we do, right? I like to make sure that if I'm trading with the idea of a gap getting filled, just because the market's moving, just because it's doing something, does not mean that I'm forcing trades, right? If I think the market's gonna fill a gap to the downside, well, I wait for what? I wait for confirmation. You know what I mean? Like, I wait for confirmation that we're looking bearish, that we're gonna pull back. The problem with just getting short in this level, looking for a gap fill, is what? We got pivot point, we got the VWAP, we've got the overall trend here on the night. Like, you can't just get short just because you want to get short. You got to be patient. Today is a perfect example of that. We waited for that 18,900 break through the pivot point there. It's up what? Went to a high of 36. You got 30 points there. You know? Come on. 15-minute opening range breakout. I like it. It held the 15-minute range almost on the fucking do. That little news candle obviously came out there, but in general, there's the move. So. Is it okay for you to trade futures on Thinkorswim? That sounds terrible. I would not do that. I would not do that. Pat, do you think you took your A+ setup today? I wouldn't say it was A+. I say that's why I didn't take it in the real account, but in the PA account, still has some nice little trades. My bum 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 bum. The one trade that I took there in the PA accounts, 4 contracts short from the 840s, covering for 10 points down there to the 30s. So had that little setup. We had talked about this on the stream, getting through there below that 40 level there. Took a short, and obviously it ended up ripping up higher, but I was definitely short bias, that's for sure. I definitely had a short bias with that big gap there. Is your girlfriend your realtor for the condo? Yes. Keep it in the family, baby. Hey, Pat, do you risk 1% trade on your challenge and past accounts? No. The whole, like, 1%, like, that, you can't, like, I don't know how that works exactly, but yeah, like, it don't work. You can't do it like that, if you know what I mean. 1%, like, what is that? Yeah, no, it don't work. How do you, what's the risk? What, you risk, what's 1% of 50K? $500 or $50. I think it's 500. I basically risk points when I think about it. Like, if I'm going for 10 points, I'm trying to, I trade with a pretty much like a 1-to-1 scale, to be honest. But my win ratio is high enough for that. NASDAQ, where you going? What are you doing? Ba-ba-ba-bum. Yeah, I don't know about this, boys. I don't know about this price action right now. I am not in love with it, that's for sure. I am not in love with it. That's for sure. Dollar's on a move back up there. Dollar's on the move. Do you always use 10 contracts on the evaluations? Yes. Because I'm crazy. It's a one-day pass. I don't know. I'm not really trying to like nurse evaluations. I'm trying to get funded as quick as possible. That's not like I'm not telling you to do that, but I don't know if you're gonna if you're trying to get funded, if you're trying to get funded, there it is. Someone says I like Rip's energy better. Is it because I don't have blue lights? But don't worry, I can help you. Gone! Get out of here, boy. Bum, bum. Is this gonna just keep on going up? If she can push back up there through the 20s, you got the high up there at 37s. $1 million question. Just feel like it needs more pullback here. More pullback, more cowbell. I got anybody watching the Stanley Cup Finals? First game on Saturday. Keep an eye out for me. I'm gonna be there. Third row from the glass. Gotta put my hands up in the air. Taking the whole team. Taking the whole team with me. The liquidated team. Taking the boys out for a good old time. I think the tickets were like $1,500 a piece. $1,500 a piece. I bought 12 tickets. Little investment, you know. Gotta take care of the fam. If the NASDAQ loses this support there at the 10s or so, you can see it don't look good. The bulls basically got to get this moving straight back up here or it's trouble. It's trouble. Speaking of Starlink, I'm getting Starlink installed on my boat. So that'll be good. Now I can stream anywhere I go in the world on the boat. If I'm over the Bahamas, no cell phone service, I can still be like, hey, I'm live on YouTube. Did you get the sponsorship deal yesterday? I'm working on it. I sent the proposal over, had the meeting. Looks good, but we'll see what happens. Hey, Patrick, just tuned in. Would this be a bull flag setup? I mean, it is, but I don't know. The way this market's trading right now, I don't trust it. Which segment are you trading? NASDAQ futures? They're testing the tens, testing the tens. Bulls gotta bounce here. They gotta bounce it or they're in trouble. Watching, watching, waiting, waiting, watching, waiting, watching. Waiting and watching. Back above the 20s, I think we got to get this push up. So let's see. All right, let's see if we get this breakout here. Looking for a push through the high there. My target. Ugh. Go, little NASDAQ, go. The ES is trying to make a new high right now. Dollar's pulling back. ES looking good. Get the ES to make a new high. The NASDAQ should follow here. So we're looking for a push through the high of day here at the 940s next. Currently long from the 21s. Just got to go right through the 30s there. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeezy McSqueezersons. Squeezy McSqueezersons. Woo! Some more. Give me some more. Don't stop it right there. I got a little greedy here, boys. I got a little greedy. Could have taken my 10 points, but no. Still long. We're going to take this through the highs. Just watch it. We're live. It's happening on YouTube. Like I said, through the 20s. Looking for this push through the high of day. Let's go. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me. I'm going to put it right below the high of day. Right below the high of day, boys. Oh, look how tight it is. Look at how tight it is. Lordy, lordy. Oh, baby Jesus. Can you take me higher to a place with golden things? It works, I'm telling you. I just gotta sing to the NASDAQ. She goes up. She goes up. She goes up. Will you take me higher to a place with golden things? Will you take me higher to a place with golden things? Get the fuck on my level, everybody. Get on my motherfucking level right here, right now. Ah! 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 What did I tell you? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Look at this fucking shit. It's going, gone. Through the 20s now. We talked about this before the move even fucking happened. Patrick. Patrick, you never tell me what to do. You never tell me what to do. God. That's literally how that's why I literally feel like the people in the chat sometimes that like cry and complain, like they're sitting there like all looking at their computer screen and they're like, Patrick, you never tell me. You never tell me. Patrick, I don't know. You never tell me. That's like when I think about the people watching, I'm like, that's what they sound like when they're ones in the chat that are like crying about the fact that I didn't tell them to get long. But the funny part is, I did say above 20, I'm getting long. I showed my entry, the whole entire trade. Bang, bang, bang. Put it on the board, baby. Mark it up. Mark it up. Mark it up. Bang. That 20, the 10 area had to hold for the bulls. The 10 area holding there for the bulls sent us to the moon. Sent us to the moon. Hey, remember 10 points, 20 points. 10 points, 20 points. All you need a day, baby. It's all you need. That's all you need. That's all you need. Show some love in the chat if you haven't already. Hit that like button. We got 1,400 people watching, 470 likes. We are doing it live on motherfucking YouTube right here. www.number1daytrader on YouTube. Number one day trader on YouTube. Dee! I'm out. It just keeps going. Just keeps going, man. It just keeps going. It just keeps going up and up. It just keeps going up. What are we gonna do? By the way, also, another reason that I like that 20 area to get through, you can see the wick on the top of that 1 minute candle right there, right? So that was pretty much a denial candle there at the 20s. If we push through that, well, there's your opportunity. It was like 21.50. That was, yeah, I mean, the best part is I don't think I don't think I was in the red at this entire trade. Maybe like a little red right there, but look at this thing. You know? Look at this thing. $3,000. She's still going, boys. She's still going. Woo. 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 I don't know why I do that, but it just sounds funny. I make myself laugh sometimes. You know, what can I say? You know, I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you, like, no bullshit. Honestly, just like straight up. I'll tell you this, right? The best thing about being a trader sometimes is not about the profit. It's not about how much money you make, vice versa, and all that stuff. It's rewarding that when you follow a plan, you have a strategy, and it works, right? Like, that's the most rewarding part, I feel like. I don't know. Obviously, making money is the goal, right? But, like, sometimes even when you don't make money, like, just seeing your setup play out, it's like, damn. You know, I crushed that. Like, we saw the setup, we took the trade, it went. You know, like, I've made thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and millions. You know, like, I got millions of dollars. So I don't know if it's just me, but the money itself is whatever. But the fact is that trading is a skill that has limitless potential. Limitless. There is no one stopping you from being exactly what you want to be. You know, maybe you just want to make a little extra money for your family. Maybe you just want to make a little extra money, you know, maybe, I don't know. Everyone's got their own fucking, you got to find what's your reasoning to do it. But honestly, like, trading itself is a job. It's a thing, a career, however you want to look at it. It's the only thing in the entire world, I feel like, that there literally is no barrier to entry. There is no one stopping you from being successful. You know what I mean? Like, there's literally no one stopping you from being successful. It doesn't matter what color skin you are. It doesn't matter if you're a man, a woman, a fucking whatever sex you think you are. None of that stuff matters. It's only you. Trading is literally limitless, you know? So, and that's one thing I tell people all the time. Like, if you're going to start out as a trader, don't worry about making money. Don't worry about it, right? That'll come in time. If you're an actual, like, if you become a trader, you'll make money in time. If you follow the plan, if you focus and you know, have an overall goal. But if you just want to get rich and you're just like hoping that some idiot on YouTube is going to tell you how to do it, yeah, you're wasting your time. If you're hoping that Patrick Wieland's got to make you rich, well, I don't know if I can, but I can definitely give you some words of advice along the way. It takes time, 100%. The biggest thing for sure is time. Time is the ultimate resource. It's the ultimate everything. The money, the experience, you got to put in the time. Think about that, you know, put in the time, you know, put in the time, you'll get rewarded. I started my YouTube channel. Think about this. I started my YouTube channel and I had no idea how to even trade. I know it's fucked up. I'm a crazy person, but think about it. Like, I literally started a YouTube channel and I had no idea what I was doing. Literally, I was like, man, what in the fuck am I doing? And the best part is everyone told me. Everyone's like, Patrick, you're never going to make, no one's going to watch your YouTube channel. That's what they used to tell me. Patrick, no one's going to watch your YouTube channel. But look at this shit. Look at this poor guy. Look at this poor guy. He's out here. Oh my God, what was I doing there? It was my old car. God, look at this guy. I'm in Mexico. Trading penny stocks. What the fuck? Oh my God, I was fat. I was young. 7 years ago, man. 7 years ago. Out there living the dream. Good times. Good times, man. It's a cool spot. But yeah. You know, I've been up, I've been down. Had a lot of really cool experiences. But if I would have stopped, you know, when I first started trading, if I would have stopped back then, where would I be at right now? I'd be nowhere. I'd be just another fucking loser. Another fucking loser on the internet. Sure Trader. Anybody ever trade with Sure Trader? Look at this guy. Oh my God. He's a baby. That's a baby boy. That's a motherfucking baby boy right there. Same wardrobe though, baby. Black on black on black. I didn't even have hair on my face. I had more hair up here. I had more hair up here. There's a baby boy. Look at that guy. Oh God, he's a baby boy. Baby boy. Had a bunch of comments too, man. There's people. These guys have been watching. There's people. Some of my YouTube subscribers have literally been watching on YouTube for years now. So pretty cool to see. You know, I feel like it's been a good one. And then I think, you know, the video of all time, everyone's got to love this video. This definitely has to be my #1 video ever watched. Going and filming there. Look at this fucking baby boy. He's a baby boy. Look at this face. Oh my God, Patrick. Look how crazy I look. So different. I think because I've been talking so much more, my muscles in my face have gotten better. Holy shit. You know, it's funny because everyone talks so much shit on the fact of, like, you know, that this guy, that Stephen Kalajian had all of these monitors and all this different stuff. But, like, to be honest, I would love to have more monitors. You know what I mean? Like, I would love to have fucking more monitors. I know it sounds funny, but like, I would be, hey, if I had more monitors, I'd be totally happy with it. I wouldn't be mad about it. So I don't know. Haters are always gonna hate, but I'm like, hey, give me more monitors. You know, if I can pull up more charts, see what's going on, and be able to kind of have a better idea, I don't know. So look at the NASDAQ, boys. The move. That's 50 points now from the 20 entry. 50 points now. Philip Angus, I never liked you much in the beginning. I apologize. I have nothing now but great respect. Hey, you know, I mean, that's fine. Like I've said before, I'd rather everybody hate me than everyone just kind of be like, yeah, he's all right. You know, like, I'd rather people be like, hey, I fucking love that guy. Like, I don't want people just to, you know, be like, yeah, he's cool. Like, I either want people to be like, fuck Patrick Wieland, or I fucking love Patrick Wieland. You know what I mean? Like, that's what I want. I liked you more in the beginning. Keith, hey, well, guess what? I still don't like you, Keith. Jenner's gonna buy me a drink, you know? Do you trade under LLC? I have an S Corp. Hear from Tanya for the loveliness. Oh, hi, people from the loveliness of Tanya. Do I remember Ricky Gutierrez? Oh yeah, somebody actually told me the other day that Ricky Gutierrez is more successful than me. I don't think people really understand how successful I am. I really don't think they understand. I don't know. Does Apex give you a funded account the same day? It'll be tomorrow. It'll be tomorrow. Can you register at Apex, or did you register at Apex as an LLC? Yes. Yes, I have an S Corp. I'm elected as an LLC S Corp, basically. Limited liability, and then with the S Corp. It just protects me as well. If somebody wanted to sue me or something like some shit like that, there's ways. I don't know. There's always somebody trying to come at me. Always somebody. So I'm used to it, man. I'm used to living like this, knowing that there's always somebody trying to get me. Someone trying to get me, baby. Yeah, you passed yesterday and haven't gotten the... Yeah, I think there was some issue with all that stuff, so... Do you know if we can move our personal account at Apex from a personal to an LLC? I don't really know exactly. I think you just have to put... you just have to put your EIN number. You need the IRS, you need an EIN number. And so when you change the payouts, I think you could change it that way, maybe. But maybe you can't. I don't know. Maybe start another account. Yeah, if you haven't done any withdrawals. Because you got to put your info in. Yo, yo, yo. What up?